Good day, people. How you doing? It's Romeo the Professor. It's January 26th, and today we're going to talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is going to be on our minds today. Ethereum is going to be on our minds. Now, as you can see, three things we're going to talk about also. Um, Three reasons why Ethereum prices is still on track for $2,000. Yes, I do believe that it's on track for that. And also, we're going to talk about Ethereum. ETH pushes staked ETH to 4 billion. Novogratz targets $2,600. And do I believe it? Okay. Now, please, my friend, my name is Romeo the Professor. I am an A to Z investor in crypto, Forex, stocks, and real estate. When you subscribe to this channel, you're going to get exclusive training, Bitcoin and altcoin news, technical analysis, forecasts for the best cryptos to buy based on the latest data. Okay? So, towards the end of this video, I'll give you my watch list for today, coins that I believe you should buy. And always remember, I do this for learning purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. So in trading Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, there is risk. Okay, thank you. So let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum so far in 7 days is at 5% negative, but in 30 days it still did 103% increase, which is good. All right, it's currently right now within the last 24 days close to a 6% dip, which normally I only buy when it's did a 15% dip because I like buying the 15% dips. Okay, so that's what Ethereum is at. So now we will do a technical analysis on Ethereum where I will show you the chart and then I will diagram the chart and show you what's currently going on. But let's talk about the three reasons why Ethereum price is still on track to top $2,000. Many think that, okay? Substantial spot volume and favorable future premium and top traders buying the dip are always signals that Ethereum prices should see continuation, okay? Now, when someone say buy the dips, people, it's the dips. I believe a real dip is when it's dropped to at least 15%. 5% is not dip. 5% is just you're just continuing to just buy just to buy. Now, let me show you this. According to Cointelegraph, the increasing TVL transaction volume, okay, of the decentralized finance sector are behind Ether's impressive surge. Okay? Now, exchange withdrawals point to whale accumulation. What that means is, remember when I say do not panic when it's a 15 to 20% dip? Most people, once they see a 12% dip, they start selling. And that's the wrong mentality to have. The mentality to have is once you see a 15 to 20% dip, that's when you buy. And then you wait for another 6 hours and you see if it dips again, you buy. Okay, so futures were overbought. The 3-month future should usually trade with a 6% to 20% annualized premium basis. Whenever the indicator fades or turns negative, this is an alarming red flag. The situation known as backwardation and indicates that the market is turning bearish. Okay? Now, the spot volumes remain strong and trader bought the dip. That remember when I told you, buy the dip. So I'll explain what that is more. So let's go here. Now, Ethereum ETH pushes staked ETH to 4 billion. Novogratz targets 2,600. So here, when we go back up here, sorry, they say 2,000. Here, they say 2,600. So it's still above 2,000. Now, Ethereum prices did reach the highest level on Monday, the Asian session. It did reach 1,500, and 4 billion ETH was staked. Uh, so let's read where they say the next Ethereum prices will be. Remember, industry expert Mike Novogratz tweeted a lunch meet up with Ethereum co-founder Joseph Lubin, adding the price could go to $2,600. Now, as usual, they have huge predictions. Okay. Now let me see. Let me see what's the current momentum for Ethereum and what it's favoring currently. So I'm going to do right now a market analysis, and we're going to see a technical analysis and see what's currently going on. Okay. So this is the graph. But before I start, please subscribe now and hit the bell to this channel if you want the benefits of value of knowing top performing cryptos daily, like I said. Okay, so let's do this. We're on a monthly chart now. Okay, as you can see here, it says monthly. So when we look at the monthly, the highest that Ethereum ever been is over here, this red line, the top red line at 1589. The reason I put red here because that's the highest, because normally right before the market passed this resistance, it'll do a pullback, which you see right here. It's currently doing a pullback, which I'll show you. So we know we are the highest. Now, this green line is, I believe this is the lowest support, which is 1,041 that it'll probably drop to. Okay, because as you see right here, in 2018, it was at by basically 1,100 support also. Okay, so now let's look at the weekly. So if you ask me, I see Ethereum touching 1589. So I would say 1600. Um, so I am safe to say that 1600. However, you would need to be patient for at least 30 days for it to hit that. Okay. So let's look at the weekly. So as the weekly, Ethereum, let's look at the daily for you. So this is what's currently happening at the daily. So we're at we call a hard support, 1384. So that's why it did a pullback, even though right here it hit the 1477. It's doing a pullback. I believe it can do a pullback all the way up to here. Don't panic. Let me show you. I'm gonna put this light green. It can do a pullback here. You can buy if it does a pullback to 1229, but I wouldn't go with heavy buys because it can still pass this support, which I believe is a nice daily support, and come right here. But if it comes back to right around 1,041, that's a strong buy, okay? Because that's a strong support right here. Okay, so please tell me what you think about what I said today. I want you to do something for me. Comment below. I subscribe and tell me your thoughts about Ethereum topic today. Comment. I am Romeo the Professor with A2Z Investor. And again, let me show you currently here the market cap. Ethereum is at 1318. I believe it's going to hit 1600, but before it do that, I believe it'll do a pullback to $1,200 and then rise up. And the market cap right now is at 150 billion, and it has a lot of moving pieces. I am Romeo the Professor. Thank you. This is about Ethereum. Ethereum is at a buy, but remember, be patient. I believe it'll take you about a month to hit about 1600. Thank you.